I know that it's been a while. It has been very hectic. We moved into our new location, and Ellie did come out of maternity leave for a brief moment to help me with this video. So this video features this. This is a collaboration with a bunch of my favorite YouTubers. You can click the link down below and see all the videos, but we all are going to be making projects. It's the new holiday sampler box, and it includes the golden ticket and the holiday colors. I'm going to show you the new store. I filmed the moving process. My dad has been in the hospital. There's a major update with him. So if you want to see the new store and see the projects and see all the other videos, stay tuned.
Okay, so we are here at the shop and Zach is taking down the bike from the roof. The roof is almost falling off. The goal is to make it down safe with the bike in one piece. And I am standing here watching with Lola. Okay, so we just got some packages in. What is in this box? Look how cute that tape is.
It's adorable, isn't it?
What is it going to be, Jenny?
I don't know what we ordered.
Are you happy to have me at the store?
I'm happy to see the baby. Yes, I am.
Hey, what about me?
I could have used you when we did all the labeling.
Ooh. Let's open one up. What does it get? Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Oh, I might need one of those.
You want me to grab it?
Careful, Debbie. Oh my. Oh, jeez. Okay, mission accomplished. We got the bike down. Nobody died. Now we just need to get Zach off the roof.
Got these new sweatshirts in, and I think they're really appropriate. They say bloom where God plants you. They're super cute. They're like a washed denim effect. I want to keep one. We got several of them. They're on the website. The thing that I am most excited about our new store is that we will have an indoor classroom. No more worrying about rain or teaching people out in the yard. We are going to be making things like this. These are going to be in the next subscription box. So if you want the subscription box with everything to make these plus the video, I would sign up because I only ordered a certain amount of houses and I think we're going to sell out. Another one that looks like this, the video, the paint, the glitter, all of it. And then also at my store, it will be like a menu. Pick out a house, sit down, paint it, plus our sign bar and all the other projects. I can hardly wait for that part. I am using Farm Fresh, Petticoat Pink, and Carnival Red to paint these houses. This box comes with 7 colors plus golden ticket, and I'm using some of the contrasting colors for the roofs. I wanted to give you a better idea of where our store is located. It is right on Highway 101. Cedros is over there. That's where our old store is. It's these 3 roll-up doors. First one where my car is the shipping room. The middle one will be our store, and the third one will be our class. So these 2 spaces is what we're going to start moving into at the end of this month. And over behind that wall is our shipping room. I came to Anthropologie to get some Christmas inspiration, and it looks like their windows are ready. I ordered some pre-made houses that are about 10 times bigger than these little ones. They are on our website. I grabbed one and I set it in front of me while I was painting to get some inspiration. You can do so many things with these houses. You can paint little shutters, candy cane poles, awnings. The ideas are just limitless. I also have a board on Pinterest. It was like decorating on a tiny scale. Then I used little tiny trees, fake greenery, beads, and Chanel pipe cleaners to create little wreaths and garland to decorate the houses.
Put this on TV. There you go. She came to visit me.
Yes, I love you.
I am here. This is our last Saturday at this shop. You got your baby? You got your baby? Show me your baby. Show me your baby. See what my dad is up to. What's happening?
These things were put together and
You put them together.
I don't know.
Say hi to everybody on YouTube. Thank them for the prayers.
Thank you for your prayers. So,
We love you.
love you too.
My dad ended up in the hospital for a few nights with a very serious ear infection. They put him on an IV antibiotic and they ran a bunch of tests. He has had very high calcium levels and he's lost a lot of weight. He's had some other symptoms like confusion, and after more tests, they discovered that he has something called a parathyroid condition. We do have a lot of hope, but my dad needs to have a surgery. He needs to have it as soon as possible. The surgery can correct it and bring him back to feeling much better. So we would really appreciate your prayers. It has been very difficult. He is under doctor's orders not to work or drive or operate heavy tools. I miss him desperately. We're all very concerned about him and are looking forward to him getting his surgery so he can feel better. I am adding our paint frosting into White Swan to create the look of snow. It takes a tiny amount, like a quarter of a teaspoon, into any color of paint. You mix it up, you wait about 2 to 3 minutes, and the paint will get really thick. This is great for creating texture or the look of snow. Brush it onto the houses and sprinkle glitter onto it before the paint dries.
Take a train ride just to see you. Ride for hours.
Okay, hopefully this is our last Saturday blowout sale. Painted some signs on our scrap wood.
Much I need you. 'Cause you're
It's flea market, swap meet, travel and go, pick up and go.
Yeah, are you excited?
There's still a lot of good stuff here. Yes, I am excited. Move on to something else.
Wait till you see the new
No,
store.
I can't wait.
It's looking so good. We can't wait to have you
yeah.
over there. Okay,
It'll
Rosie.
be fun. Bye. Have a great day.
Thank you. This kit comes with ribbon, glitter, tiny little trees, greenery, everything you need to make these adorable little houses. We also sell the houses separately.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir perform.
Okay, it is Sunday and I am here to pack up all the paint and all the supplies because the movers are coming on Tuesday. So we're going to start moving the small stuff over now. This is it. It's packing time. Our last official day was yesterday. It feels a little bit bittersweet, but not really. I'm just actually very excited to move and get set up in the new place. So I think I'm going to start packing all of this paint and all of the little things. Just put it in boxes and take it over to the new location. Day. We got a lot of stuff cleared out. Bobby just got back from Europe. Bobby, are you the hero?
No, yes.
Yes, indeedy. He is the hero.
Reluctant hero.
I'm so grateful. Yeah, it's getting pretty empty. Cabinet. The yard is looking kind of disheveled. This thing's got to go. Goes the first load. Okay, so this is the state of the new store. It's looking like it could be cute. We got all the paint to put away. This is where our checkout area is going to be. All of this over here is still the old store, the tenant before us. This is where we're going to teach classes eventually. Okay, my lovely ladies, how do you like our new place?
Look at our shipping room.
I know, it's so
Just
good.
ship forever.
Yes, that's the plan. Mission-minded movers, they are the best. They put my sofa skeleton up there. They were so wonderful to work with. If you are in San Diego and you need a mover, Mission-minded movers. I'll put a link in the description. It has been a couple of days since I started editing this video, and in that time we have a surgeon and a date for my dad's surgery. When this video posts tomorrow, my dad will either be going into surgery, in surgery, or recovering from it. So we would really appreciate the prayers, and we will give you an update in the next video just as soon as we know. I am using our big top sealer to deepen the color of the houses. I am sprinkling on the clear glitter so that it will stick to the houses before the big top dries. I should have probably done this before I glued on all the little things, but you know, live and learn.
Any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Who do you got?
I got Christine Lockhart. He's from Fredericksburg, Virginia.
Christine, thank you. You got to say your package is on the way.
Oh, your package is on the way.
They like that.
Hey guys, if you are looking to join our subscription box, you can head over to our website, DIYagogo.com, go underneath the tab subscription box and accessories, and here's where you're going to find all of the goods. You can join our subscription box. You can also get our beautiful binder and some one-off pages, or even purchase some of our old subscription boxes if you missed out on those. But make sure you go check it out. We still have some spots open, and you're not going to want to miss this upcoming box because it is to die for cute.
As soon as we got everything moved over to the new space, I stayed until midnight, sometimes 2 o'clock in the morning. I want to give you a little tour of what the store is looking like right now. We still have the classroom to set up, but I needed to get this done because we have the subscription boxes to do. We have these new amazing paint sampler boxes to launch, and my dad is going to be in surgery tomorrow. I'm watching Levi for a week. I had to get it done so we could just live life and do all of the things. So I hope you enjoy this quick little tour. Let me know what you think in the comments.
In my heart, I feel how this year's end should be. Holy saint, oh, holy night, by your balsam tree. Your brother may come and stay, and my sister on the eve of Christmas Day. Hallelujah, play the song the season brings. Ring your bell now. Here.
You guys, it's like Debbie has turned her store into the best version of her own anthropology, and I'm just obsessed with all of these new products. You can head over to our website, DIYagogo.com, and go on the tab products featured from our YouTube. This is where you can find all of the products that are in her store but online so that you can get them no matter where you live. They are so cute, and I'm literally obsessed with everything. I love those candlestick holders. Make sure you go check out all of our awesome stuff, and make sure to leave a comment down below on what is your favorite new item that we're selling.
I was so happy when I heard Ellie's voiceover because that is my goal for my store, to create the anthropology version of an art supply and creative lifestyle store. And before I wrap up this video, I wanted to leave you with one last project. We have these paper mache ornaments. I thought they would be perfect for the new sampler boxes. I am using the colors of the sampler boxes, and I'm mixing colors together to create a purple. I saw this idea on Pinterest, and I'm just freehanding little details. I hope you enjoy it. We also sell the ornaments on our website.
The Christ is come, a child our King. On your porch now, light your torch now, a virgin blessed, our Lord to bring.
Don't forget to click the link below to see all the other videos in this playlist, and to find all the products used in this video, to find DIY paint in your area, or to sell it in your store. Click the link below. Stay tuned for updates from my dad's surgery and more updates from the store.
I love you, Madeline. I love you, Madeline. I love you, Madeline. I'm madly in love with you. From the moment I laid eyes on you. gift. Felt like I was living in a dream. From the moment that I felt you kiss.
The sampler box comes with this inside. It's a brochure and it's got a QR code that will take you to all the other videos as well. They're all linked to the QR code plus so many other projects. It is the perfect gift for the creative person in your life or you. Like I always buy myself a gift after I open mine and discover that I didn't get everything that I was hoping for. Do you do that?